Today we're going to make a decorative box like this one. A lot of people call this a star box because it looks like a star. The first thing we're going to do is pre-fold our paper by making a triangle, opening it up, and making a triangle the other way. Then I'm going to fold it in half the other way, making a rectangle, open it up, and do that again. Okay. It's always easier to pre-crease your folds. Now, I'm going to make triangle, fold it in half into a smaller triangle, and then I'm going to open it up and use those creases I made to make a square. And I'm going to flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to open this up and use those creases I've made to make a square. Now, with the open end towards you, fold to the center. Flip it over and do that again. Fold to the center line. Now we're going to open up each of these and flatten the top. You want the crease in the middle to continue that line where it was. I'm going to flip this over and do the same thing on the other side. Open that up, make sure the center lines up. All right, so you've got both sides that look like this, and now you're going to fold each one over onto its own back, like that. I'll do that to the other side. I'm going to flip it over and do that again. Last thing I'm going to do is fold that across to make the base of my box. And now you turn it over, fold each of those corners down, open that up on both sides, fold those corners down, so it looks like this, and then open up your box. If you prefer the ends tucked in, when Before you open up the box, you can fold the corner up about into thirds and then reverse and tuck that underneath the folded edges. Show you again. Fold that up. Fold that up again to crease it, and then reverse that second fold and tuck it in underneath the folded side so it stays. And you do that again on the other two corners of the star. Tuck that up. And reverse that fold to tuck it in underneath. I didn't tuck that far enough, so I'm just gonna stuff it in again. And then the last one. Fold that up about a third, pre-crease it, reverse that fold and tuck it under the side so it stays. Push any extra corner up so it's invisible. And now that all four sides are tucked, you can open up your box. And it doesn't have spiky corners sticking out.